Hello viewers, welcome to MathTech. I am Amit Sharma. Today we are going to solve a question of vector from NBHM PhD exam 2020. The question is from the topic surface integral. So without a delay, let's start. Question is evaluate the surface integral mod integration over S f dot dA of the vector field f x y z equal to e to the power y comma 0 comma e to the power x on the surface S containing the point x y z such that x square plus y square is equal to 25, 0 less than equal to z less than equal to 2, x is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0. We have to learn the following results to solve the question. Result number 1. Any integral which is to be evaluated over a surface is called surface integral. Result number 2. 1. If R be the orthogonal projection of S on xy plane, then double integration over S f dot n ds is equal to double integration over R f dot n dx dy divided by mod of n dot k. 2. If R be the orthogonal projection of S on yz plane, then double integration over S f dot n ds is equal to double integration over R f dot n into dy dz divided by mod of n dot I. 3. If R be the orthogonal projection of S on xz plane, then double integration over S f dot n ds is equal to double integration over R f dot n dx dz divided by mod of n dot j. It is given that the vector field f x y z is equal to e to the power y comma 0 comma e to the power x, which can be written as e to the power y into I plus e to the power x into k. A vector normal to the surface S is given by del of x square plus y square minus 25, which is further represented as I into curly by curly x plus j into curly by curly y plus k into curly by curly z of x square plus y square minus 25, which is 2x into I plus 2y into j. A unit vector n cap normal to the surface S is n cap is equal to 2x into I plus 2y into j divided by square root of 4x square plus 4y square, which is simplified as x into y plus y into j divided by 5. Let R be the projection of S on yz plane, then double integration over S f dot n ds is equal to double integration over R f dot n dy dz divided by mod of n dot I, which is equal to double integration over R e to the power y x divided by 5. This is the value of f dot n. Dy dz divided by x divided by 5. This is the value of n dot I, which is further simplified as double integration over R e to the power y dy dz. Now, the region R is bounded by z equal to 0 to z equal to 2 and y equal to 0 to y equal to 5. Why it is so? When we put x equal to 0 in x square plus y square equal to 25, we get y is plus minus 5, that is y varies from minus 5 to 5. But y is greater than equal to 0 implies y varies from 0 to 5. Now the double integration over S f dot n ds is equal to integration from 0 to 2, integration from 0 to 5 e to the power y dy dz, which is equal to integration from 0 to 2 dz, and the integration of e to the power y is e to the power 5, and the lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 5. This is equal to e to the power 5 minus 1 integration from 0 to 2 dz, which is further written as e to the power 5 minus 1 into z. Lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 2, which is equal to 2 into e to the power 5 minus 1. Therefore, double integration over S f dot n ds is equal to 2 into e to the power 5 minus 1. Hence, the absolute value of double integration over S f dot dA is 2 into e to the power 5 minus 1. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. Thank you very much.